Now 2014 All-Star Game. A look at Target Field in Minneapolis. Charlie Blackmon steps in now. Here comes a 1-2. And a fastball in the dirt that's taken for a ball. 2-2 pitch on the way. And this will be fouled away. 2-2. Now an off-speed pitch well inside, and it forces him to bounce away from danger. Full count pitch on its way. Now a swing and a softly hit ground ball. One away. So the base is empty here with one away. And standing in now, the right fielder, Alex Rios. And a swing and a miss as they caught him reaching that time, and there are two away. Alex Gordon will have his first opportunity now as it comes with the bases empty here in the top of the first. Now a swing and a bouncing ball toward the hole. Throw on to Mauer will be in time, and that retires the side. Eduardo Nunez will dig in now, and as you can see, he's well over 300 here to start this new campaign. Tries to drag his way on here, but now he's behind 1-2. Here comes the 1-2. And he'll lay off the curveball that's in the dirt that time, and it's back to even now at 2-2. Now, how important is it going to be for this guy to throw that curveball for strikes?
I don't know that he necessarily needs to ever throw it for a strike. I mean, if it's around the plate and he's getting guys to go after it, it's doing its job. But if he starts to get too high or too far outside, then it's just an easy take.
Swing and a ball hit hard to third. Stabs for it. He's got it. From a knee, he gets him with a little help from the scoop at first. A nice play on both ends there. Now the 3-2 pitch. Hit high but foul as that'll get in amongst the fans. He'll try it again, 3-2. This is up the middle, and he'll throw against his body to first. And he'll make that play look easy as the throw is in time to end the inning. Salvador Perez will dig in now, the starting catcher on last season's AL All-Star team. That's toward the gap in right center, and he may get himself extra bases here to start the inning. Around first, Perez on his way for second. And he will get in there with his first big league hit, a double. Eric Hosmer will dig in now. Off to a slow start, as you see there. Just barely over the 200 mark here in April. 3-2, here it is. And he misses there for ball 4. So runners are at first and second now with nobody out. Mike Moustakas will dig in here. Ready now on 1-1. In the dirt here, but fortunately here, no advance. Getting a few steps off a second there. Now the pitch, and a changeup swung on and missed for the first out. Jared Dyson digs in at the plate. Ready with the 2-1. And he gets under this one a bit as this is lifted into center field. Santana is there, 2 gone. The relay throw, and he is in there. Alcides Escobar will get a shot now with 2 on and 2 out here in inning number 2. Runners lead from first and third. Here's the pitch. No offer on that one. 2 balls and a strike. Here it comes, 2-1. Fouled straight back. Here he comes on 2-2. And this misses, so that'll fill the count at 3-2.
And even though that runs the count full, you'll at least get the benefit of giving that runner at first a head start.
Now a hard hit ball back up the middle, and that'll get through into center field for a base hit. And the run will score, and the Royals are off to a 1-0 lead. Omar Infante will step in now.
Omar Infante.
2-1. Now a ball hit back up the middle, and that's through into center field. Base hit around third and being waved on home. And the run will score from second to make this a 2-0 ball game. Charlie Blackmon will see what he can do here. 2 on, 2 away, 2 home here in the inning so far. 1-1 on the way. And a bouncing ball, foul. Runners at the corners, 2 men out. Big pitch here, 1-2. And a big strikeout there. They'll leave a couple of runners on base, and after a good start to the inning, they can't capitalize any further. Brian Dozier will stand in, and you see the slow start by the numbers as he's struggling to crack 200 on this new season. Here's the full count offering. And he takes ball 4. Leadoff man's aboard here to begin the home half of the second. Trevor Plouffe will stand in. And he is off to a dreadful start at the plate as he has not hit the ball well in April. And the catch is made, 1 away. Kenny Vargas will get his first opportunity now. He's set, now the pitch. Oh, and a good curveball that time as it's taken for a called strike 3, and there are 2 away.
Catcher, Kurt Suzuki.
Here comes the 2-1. Right on, but this is foul down toward the box at third. Sets the 2-2 pitch. And an off-speed pitch swung on and missed, and with that, the side is retired. Alex Rios is ready to go here as we begin the third. Now the 1-1 home to Rios. Now here's a ball hit hard on the ground to second. Throw to first in time, and the leadoff man is gone to start the third. Alex Gordon will stand in. He grounded out his first time.
Gordon.
Out in front as he pulls this one down the line at first. And he'll take this to the bag himself, and there are 2 away now. Salvador Perez will stand in. He doubled and later scored his first time. And he's able to lay off here as it moves to 2-1 now on the Royal backstop. And the pitch. That's on the ground to short. This should end the inning. And indeed it will. He throws him out at first, and the side is retired. Danny Santana will stand in. He's got that average pushing up near 300 to start the new season. And he finds a way to catch the zone here. It's 1-2. Now the pitch. Swing and a miss, and he's got that strikeout pitch working now. That's 3 in a row for him as there's 1 away. Jordan Schaefer will dig in now, and he's got to be wondering when his bat's going to make the trip north from spring training as he has really struggled in the early going. To 2 balls and 2 strikes now. 1 out, nobody on. A full count, 3 balls and 2 strikes. Here it comes. And this misses for ball 4. The second walk he surrendered here in the first 3 innings. He's set, now the pitch. And this is swung on and missed. His 5th strikeout already, and there are 2 gone in the inning. Corey Hunter will stand in. He grounded out his first time. Here's a hard hit ball back up the middle. And Torrey has himself a base hit. Joe Mauer will stand in with 2 on and 2 out here in the third. Here's the 1-1. Sticking with the soft stuff here as this misses. It's 2-1. And he fires a fastball now for a called strike 2. From the stretch. And an off-speed pitch swung on and missed, and with that, the side is retired. Eric Hosmer will stand in now to get us going here in the fourth. Now the 2-1 pitch. And he turns this one around high and deep to center field. But he's going to haul this one in on the run as he winds up just shy of the wall for the first out. 1 away for the Royals here in the fourth. And standing in, the left-handed hitting third baseman, Mike Moustakas. And, oh, not so fast, partner. A called strike on the inside part of the plate. 3-1 now. Swing and a ball hit hard on the ground towards second. Throw in time at first for out number 2. Jared Dyson will dig in here. He flew out his first time around. 1-1 pitch on the way. Runs up to bunt here and pops this one up. And he'll lunge out of the crouch to put this one away. Good reactions there, and the inning is over. Brian Dozier will lead things off here in the home half of the fourth. Now the 1-2. And this is swung on and missed, and this fourth inning will start the same way he ended the third, with a strikeout, and there's 1 away. Bases are empty, 1 man in. The 1-1. Now a swing and a routine fly ball headed out toward Gordon in left, and that's out number 2. Kenny Vargas will dig in here. Took a called third strike his first time. Oh, and he hammers it to deep right field. Back is Rios, but he'll have to play this one off the wall. And he will get in there with his first big league hit, a double. Kurt Suzuki will get an opportunity here in a run-scoring spot now following the 2-out double. Swing and a liner toward right center. And that's a base hit. Oh, and he misses the stop sign there as he heads for the plate. And they're on the board as now it's a 2-1 ball game. Danny Santana will try and keep things going now with a runner at first following the RBI single. Here's the 1-1. And that's high for a ball. It's 2-2. Here's the 2-2 offering. Chopper foul. Both clubs with 3 hits in the ballgame. Now another 2-2. And he struck him out, his 8th punch out of the ballgame, and that one ends the inning. Alcides Escobar will make his way towards the box to lead off the 5th. Here he comes, 3-1. And a good eye here as he takes ball 4, and it's a base on balls to lead off the 5th inning. A couple of righties starting to loosen now in the bullpen. Here's the payoff pitch. And there he goes towards second. Swing and a missed strike 3. The throw not in time as he steals second. 5th inning, 2-1 our score. Now a look and a throw back to second. Runners back. Here's the 1-1 pitch. Swing and a ball hit softly on the ground. Throw won't get him at first, an infield single, and it's 1st and 3rd now. Alex Rios will dig in for the 3rd time now. He struck out and bounced out in his first 2 trips. The 1-1 home. And a changeup here, but that's taken low in the dirt for a ball. A 2-1 offering. Working carefully to Rios here. It's 3-1 now.
Boy, this is just getting worse and worse for him. You certainly don't want to walk the bases loaded.
Here he comes on 3-1. Now a ball lined towards center field. And a base hit, and that'll get the run in from 3rd. The relay, and it's in time. He's out at second as a good relay gets him. Alex Gordon will stand in again. A couple of groundouts for him on the ledger in his 2 trips so far. The 2-2. This one sinks low and a touch outside. It's a full count, 3-2.
And he does have a base open, so he doesn't have to give in on 3-2.
Comes set, now the pitch. And he missed with it there, ball 4. It's a 2-out walk with the runner still at third.
The catcher, number 13.
Salvador Perez. We'll see what he can do here with 2 on and 2 out here in inning number 5. Here's the 1-2. To 2 balls and 2 strikes now.
And with 2 walks in the inning already, he can't afford to fall behind anybody else if he wants to stay in the game.
Swing, hard hit ball to second. Throw on to Mauer will be in time, and that retires the side. Jordan Schaefer will stand in to lead things off in the bottom of the 5th. Here's the 2-1 pitch. And, oh, he can't get out of the way of that one, so the leadoff man will be on to open the frame. Now the 1-1. Swing and a ball hit hard on the ground towards second. A dive, but he can't get a glove on it. It's through for a base hit. And that runner will go no further than second as there are 2 aboard now. Corey Hunter will dig in 1 for 2. He grounded out the first time and followed that with a base hit in his second plate appearance. Now time is called, and this might be to buy a little time for that reliever to get loose. Action in that KC pen now as the right-hander's begun to loosen up. Grounded fouled off to the right side. Here comes a 2-2. And he's really got the strikeout pitch working now as he notches number 9 in the ball game. Joe Mauer will try it again. He's grounded out and struck out in 2 trips. A little bit outside. 2-1. And now he'll step off and raise his hand towards second, but he'll just hold on to it. 2-1 to the left-handed hitting Mauer. That's hard hit back up the middle. And that's through into center field. Base hit. Around third and being waved on home. And the run will score from second as they cut it to 1 at 3-2 now. Brian Dozier will get another shot. Struck out swinging his last time. The 3-2 pitch. And that's lifted in the air out toward left. And this ball's going to get down, and it should plate a couple. Around third and being waved on home. And he will score as well. And can you believe it? They've gone in front by a run. Trevor Plouffe will step in now. He's bounced out and flown out in his first 2 plate appearances. Here's the 1-1 pitch. And this ball runs away for ball 2. 2-1. He's ready now. The pitch. And this is fouled back and out of play. The 2-2 coming. Swinging a ball hit on the ground. But a foul ball as it holds it 2-2. Ball swung on and lifted in the air with some carry out towards left center. And a terrific effort out there as he's able to chase that a long way for the second out. Kenny Vargas will step in. He doubled and later scored his last time. Full count offering on its way. Swing and a liner, but foul. Now the payoff pitch home. Here's a ground ball to first. On with it to first is Hosmer, and that ends the inning. Eric Hosmer will stand in here as he'll get things started for the Royals in their half of the 6th. Now the 2-1. And he goes the other way as this is hit high and deep out to straightaway left. And he will run this one down, moving to his right, and that's the first out of the inning. Mike Moustakas will dig in now, hitless in his 2 at-bats so far. And this is swung on and sent on the ground to first. And he'll take this to the bag himself, and there are 2 away now. Jared Dyson will dig in. 0 for 2. He's flied out and popped out so far. Now he runs up and gets this one down. Throw not in time, and that'll go as a bunt single. Alcides Escobar will dig in. He walked and later scored last time.
Escobar.
The 1-1 on its way to Escobar. Pitch outside, the throw, and it's far too late as he steals second with ease. Good lead off at second there. Now the pitch. Now a ball fouled down the right field line out of play, so that'll move the count to 2-2 now. Here's the 2-2 home. Now a ball hit hard towards center, and that's in there. Base hit. Oh, and it eats him up a bit. And that'll score the tying run. We're back to even, 4 apiece. And he'll get in there safely. New pitcher set to take over, the hard-throwing right-hander Blaine Boyer.
Now pitching for the Twins, number 36, Blaine Boyer.
Here he comes on 2-1. And now a swing and a routine fly ball out towards center. And he'll get there in plenty of time to put this one away, and that ends the inning. Kurt Suzuki will stand in now to lead things off in the Minnesota 6. Jeremy Guthrie will take over on the mound now here in the 6th inning.
Number 11, Jeremy Guthrie.
1-1. Good swing there, but this is foul off to the right side. The right-hander deals on 1-2. And now one taken by Suzuki as he draws it even at 2-2. Now here it comes. Swing and a ball hit softly on the ground. But this is going to be a foul ball as that keeps things at 2-2. And now he'll reconsider as he looks for a strikeout pitch. And that is swung on and missed by Suzuki. He's down on strikes for the first out. Danny Santana will dig in. Strikeout victim his last time. Way outside, nearly to the backstop. 2-1. Now here's the pitch. Swing and a ball hit well to the right side, but this will get into the crowd. Now the 2-2 pitch. And he's getting his money's worth up there now. It's full 3-2. And now a pitch on the way. And he struck him out. And there's the hat trick, as that's his 3rd strikeout of the ball game. Jordan Schaefer will get another shot, hit by a pitch his last time. And it's to 2-2 now with the bases empty and 2 gone here in the inning. 4-4 is our score as we play the 6th. And they're working the outer half here, but that one's wide for ball 3. Now the pitch. Swing and a ground ball towards the hole. And he'll step on the bag himself, and the inning is over. Welcome back to Target Field here in Minneapolis. It's on to the 7th inning now, but before the inning gets started, let's fill you in on what you may have missed. It's our game summary to this point. Now the 1-1 pitch. Now this is hit sharply back through the box, and the go-ahead run's going to reach here to start the inning. It's a leadoff single. Alex Rios will stand in now, and he'll likely have a look down to third to see if anything's up here with nobody out. Now the 1-1 home to Rios. No offer on that one. 2 balls and a strike. Here's the 2-1 pitch. On the ground to third. The Dozier for 1. On the Mauer, it's a double play. Alex Gordon will stand in. Base on balls his last time.
Alex Gordon.
Ready now on 1-1. Swinging a ball hit on the ground. One, 2. And this is going to be a foul ball. Now another 1-2. And a swing and a ball hit foul heading for the seats. So another foul ball here, and it remains 1-2. Here's another 1-2. And a fastball swung on and missed, and the side is retired. Eduardo Nunez will step in now to lead off the home half of the 7th. Fastball is looked at for strike 2. Now here's the pitch. Hit softly to the right side. Oh, and no time to get him at first, not with his speed, and that'll go down as an infield single. Hold on here, though. You can see the skipper heading out of the dugout now, so that very close, safe call might be challenged.
Yeah, Matt, definitely a close play right there, as we're going to get another look at it right here. Boy, that's just so tough to tell for sure from that replay, and we're going to have to see what the word from the dugout is. Remember, the ruling on the field is safe.
Stepping in now, Corey Hunter. Swing and a ball hit softly on the ground, but a foul ball. 1-2 the count now. The 1-2 with one away. And he'll try to entice him with the changeup here, but it dips below the knees. It's 2-2. And that's taken high for a ball. It's full now, 3-2. Now the pitch. In the air to straightaway center field. Dyson is there now, and he has it. 2 gone. Joe Mauer will get another crack. 1 for 3 thus far. Here's the pitch. And a good 2-strike pitch, but he misses high. 1-2. Now here it comes. And a swing and a miss there on a late breaking slider as he set down on strikes for the 2nd time this afternoon. Salvador Perez will get us going now in the top half of the 8th. Some action out in the bullpen. Couple of right-handers starting to loosen up. The 1-2. And they'll try to get him fishing there, but he won't offer in the dirt, and it's back to even at 2-2. Here now the 2-2. And he misses this one inside, and that'll run things full. 3-2. 3-2, here it comes. That's toward the gap in right center, and he may get himself extra bases here to start the inning. Around first, Perez on his way for second. And your go-ahead run is in at second base here with a leadoff double. Eric Hosmer will stand in here. 0 for 2 with a run scored so far. A decent lead at second. Here's the pitch. To 2-2 now. Go-ahead runs in scoring position here with nobody out. 2-2. And a good bite to that slider as he swings through it for the first out of the inning. Mike Moustakas will dig in, needing to find a way to get that go-ahead run in from second base. And that misses, ball 4. So it's first and second now with only one away. Michael Tonkin is into the ballgame now as he'll make his 5th appearance of the season here. Here comes the 1-1. And he lays off for a ball. 2-1. Ready on 2-1. And this is hit well towards the hole. And that's through into right field for a base hit. The throw to the plate. And that'll score the go-ahead run from second to make it 5-4. Alcides Escobar will stand in. 2 hits in 2 trips thus far. Now some action out in the Minnesota pen as it looks like both a lefty and a right-hander are up to throw. 1-2 now as that's in there at the knees. Here comes the 1-2. And this is swung on and missed, so they come right after him, and it remains second and third, but with 2 away now. Here it comes now to Infante. He sends it out to left field. Well hit. And that ball is gone. Blasted into the bleachers in left. So a 3-run blast to straightaway left, and they double him up. It's 8-4. I'll straighten him up there on that fastball. It's 1-2 now. And he'll stay alive here as this is chopped foul at the plate. It'll remain 1-2. Here he comes again, 1-2. And he strikes him out here, so he's able to stop the bleeding a bit as this side is retired. Brian Dozier will dig in now. 1 for 2 to this point. Now here's the pitch. And a bouncing ball, foul. Here comes a 1-2. This is foul right side. He'll try again, 1-2. Swing and a miss on the fastball, and that's the first out. Trevor Plouffe will try again. 0 for 3 thus far. And that one never threatened the zone. It's gone full now to 3-2. Swing and a ball hit to the left side, and this is going to wind up a souvenir. The next 3-2. There, this one's for Moustakas at third. Throw will take care of him at first, and Guthrie's off to a good start to the inning. There are 2 away. Kenny Vargas will stand in as they're quickly down to their final 4 outs tonight. Now a swing and a softly hit ground ball. And 8 innings have come and gone now as the inning is over. J.R. Graham will come on now to start the 9th inning as he looks to keep this deficit right where it is for the bottom of the 9th. Here's the 1-1. Now a swing and a hard hit ball to short. Throw on to first for the out, and that is how the 9th inning gets underway. Alex Gordon will try again. 0 for 3 thus far. The 2-1 home. And here's a swing, and another chance out there is short. Throw on to first, and Gordon is retired here for the 2nd out. Salvador Perez will try again. 2 for 4 in the ballgame. This is past the mound and into center field for a base hit. Eric Hosmer will try again. Struck out swinging his last time through. Ready with the 2-1. A big uppercut there as he popped this straight up. Plouffe is there to make the catch, and the side is retired. Kurt Suzuki will get another shot. Struck out swinging his last time. Here's the 3-2 pitch. Swing and a ball hit foul as this will find the seats in right. The next 3-2. Slider, and that's hit on the ground towards second. Throw over by Infante, and that's out number 1. Danny Santana will stand in, needing to do something here to get on base as they're down to their final 2 outs. This one is swung on and hit in the air to right field for Rios. And he's got it for out number 2. Jordan Schaefer is the last chance now with 2 out here in the 9th.
Jordan Schaefer.
Well, he got his fastball that time as this one sent into right center. That's a base hit. Eduardo Nunez will step in. 1 for 4 in the ballgame. 1-1 pitch on the way. And there's a called strike 2 as now they're down to their final strike this afternoon. Now the 1-2. And a swing and a miss as they definitely had him reaching for that one. And this ball game is over. And guys, we were treated to an excellent pitching performance in this one by the gentleman you see right here. Jeremy Guthrie. Take a snapshot of that. He's our top player of the game.
Yeah, Matty, sounds good to me. They needed him to come out and give some support when he was called on, and he gave them a very good outing out of the bullpen. Enough to make him our player of the game.